Are you feeling overwhelmed by the idea of investing, but also wondering how to make your money work for you? Maybe you've heard about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even crypto, but you're not sure where to start. You're not alone. Many young people in their 20s and 30s in the US and Canada are looking for ways to build wealth, secure their financial future, and gain financial freedom. Well, here's a powerful idea. What if I told you that investing $200 a month could help you create substantial wealth over time? Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Now, you might be thinking, what difference can $200 a month make? Let me paint a picture. If you start today, consistently invest $200 each month and let your investments grow over time, you could have a sizable portfolio in just 10, 20, or 30 years. The key here is starting early and letting compound interest do its magic. The earlier you start, the less you have to worry about market fluctuations and the more you can benefit from long-term growth. So let's break this down. Investing doesn't need to be complicated and it doesn't require a massive amount of money to begin with. The best thing about investing $200 a month is that it's an amount most people can afford, even on a tight budget. Whether you're fresh out of school, just starting your career, or looking to take control of your financial future, you can start right now with small, manageable steps. To begin, let's talk about why investing is so important. Many people have been taught to save money and put it in a savings account, but here's the problem. Saving alone won't help you keep up with inflation, let alone build wealth. For example, the inflation rate in the US and Canada often hovers around 2 to 3% a year. If you keep your money in a savings account, it's not growing at all. In fact, the purchasing power of that money is shrinking every year. On the other hand, investing allows your money to grow at a faster rate. If you make smart long-term investments, you can easily outpace inflation, build wealth, and secure your financial future. Let's start by talking about some options you have for investing your $200 a month. The most common investment options are stocks, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. One of the best places to begin is with index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track an index like the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you're getting a diversified portfolio of large, successful companies. The benefit here is that you don't have to pick individual stocks or worry about managing your investments daily. These funds typically offer solid returns over the long term, and you can invest in them with relatively low fees. This is ideal for young people who may not have time to research and analyze individual companies. Another option that's gaining popularity is robo-advisors. If you want to get started but don't want to be bogged down by the complexities of stock picking or understanding market movements, robo-advisors are a great solution. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. The best part is they're relatively hands-off and require very little time to manage. You just set up your account, deposit your money, and let the robo-advisor do the work. Now let's take a quick detour and talk about the importance of being patient. You see, investing isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's about playing the long game. It's about creating wealth that grows over time. So it's crucial to stay invested for the long haul. Yes, the market will go up and down. In fact, it can be pretty volatile, especially in times of economic uncertainty or a market correction. But if you stay the course, resist the urge to sell when the market dips, and let your investments grow, you'll be in a much better position years down the line. Remember, the biggest mistake you can make as a new investor is to pull out of the market during a downturn. This is where people lose money. Stay consistent, stay patient, and let compound interest work its magic. Speaking of compound interest, let me give you an example. Let's say you invest $200 a month for 10 years in an index fund with an average annual return of 7. After 10 years, you'll have invested a total of $24,000, but your account could be worth as much as $39,000, thanks to the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the greater the effect of compound interest. If you continue to invest for 20 or 30 years, the results can be even more impressive. Now, here's something that's critical for young investors to understand: the importance of risk tolerance and diversification. Not all investments are created equal, and some will be riskier than others. For instance, stocks tend to be riskier than bonds, but they also offer higher potential returns. Bonds are generally safer but provide lower returns. The key to balancing risk is diversification, meaning you spread your investments across different types of assets to lower your overall risk. A well-diversified portfolio might include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even some alternative investments like cryptocurrency or precious metals. So the next step is to start by identifying how much risk you're willing to take. Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, or would you prefer something more stable? The answer to that question will help guide your investment choices. But no matter what, remember that you don't have to be an expert. There are plenty of tools and platforms available today to make investing easier than ever. As we wrap up, let me remind you of something important. The real power of investing lies in consistency. Even if $200 a month seems small, the fact that you're investing regularly will lead to substantial wealth over time. The biggest advantage you have right now, as someone in your 20s or 30s, is time. The earlier you start, the more opportunities you'll have to benefit from the power of compounding and growth. So here's the challenge for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Start with what you can now, be patient, and let the power of time work in your favor. And as you get more comfortable with your investments, keep learning and adjusting as needed. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Before I let you go, here's my final hook for you to think about. What will your financial future look like in 10, 20, or 30 years if you start investing today? Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Every dollar you invest today is a step toward your future financial freedom. So go ahead, take the first step. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Many people believe that saving money in a traditional savings account is enough to secure their financial future, but in reality, it's not the best approach. Savings accounts typically offer very low interest rates, often less than 1% per year, which means that the money you keep in them will barely grow if at all. Worse, inflation, the general rise in prices over time, erodes the purchasing power of your savings. For example, if inflation is 3% annually, your $1,000 saved today will only be worth about $907 in a year, despite not spending a dime. Over time, this erosion of value can be significant. Investing, on the other hand, offers the potential for your money to grow at a rate that outpaces inflation, allowing you to build wealth rather than just protect it from diminishing value. One of the most powerful tools available to investors is compound interest, which essentially means earning interest on both the original amount of money you invested and the interest that money has already generated. This process accelerates as time goes on, and the earlier you start investing, the more time you give your money to grow. For young people in their 20s and 30s, the key benefit of starting early is that even small contributions can snowball over time. Compound interest works its magic over the years, turning consistent, modest investments into larger sums, setting the stage for long-term financial success. Starting early means you have more time for your money to grow, giving you a significant advantage in building wealth. When you're looking to invest $200 per month, it's important to choose investment vehicles that are easy to manage, cost-effective, and have the potential for solid returns. One of the best places to start is with index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds are baskets of stocks that track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you're automatically diversified, meaning your $200 is spread across a wide range of companies rather than being concentrated in just one or two stocks. This helps reduce the risk of losing money if one company's stock performs poorly. The low fees associated with index funds and ETFs are another reason they're perfect for beginners, as high fees can eat into your returns over time. Another option that has become increasingly popular, especially for those who may not have time to actively manage their investments, is robo-advisors. These platforms use algorithms to build and manage your portfolio based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Robo-advisors typically offer low management fees, which is an attractive feature for someone looking to invest a smaller amount, like $200. The best part about robo-advisors is that they require little time or expertise. After answering a few questions about your risk profile and goals, you can set up an account and let the robo-advisor handle the rest. This hands-off approach allows you to start investing without needing to spend hours learning about stocks, bonds, and market trends. These investment vehicles, whether index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors, provide a simple, efficient way to begin building wealth while keeping fees low and minimizing time commitment. One of the most important aspects of successful investing is developing the right mindset and sticking with it over the long term. Investing isn't a quick way to make money, it's a slow and steady process that requires patience. Young investors often get excited at the thought of making quick profits, but the reality is that the market goes through ups and downs. During market dips, it's easy to get emotional and make impulsive decisions, such as selling off investments in panic. However, history shows that the market tends to recover over time, and selling during a downturn could lock in your losses. The key is to stay the course, avoid emotional decisions, and remember that long-term investing generally outperforms short-term speculation. One of the most effective ways to stay on track is through consistency by making regular contributions to your investment account. Whether $200 a month or another amount, you're not only building wealth over time, but also taking advantage of dollar cost averaging. This strategy helps smooth out the impact of short-term market volatility by investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. It ensures that you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, ultimately leading to a lower average cost over time. Diversification is another crucial factor in building a resilient portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies, you reduce the risk of your entire portfolio taking a significant hit if one area of the market underperforms. As your financial situation and goals evolve, it's important to periodically review and adjust your portfolio. For example, as you approach major life milestones like buying a house or retirement, you may want reduced risk by shifting to more stable investments. Adjusting your strategy as your life changes helps ensure that your investments continue to align with your long-term goals.